What if I told you that most AI sentiment analysis is completely meaningless? Not just inaccurate, but fundamentally flawed. And yet, it's being sold as a key metric for your brand. Let's break this down. AI monitoring tools are rapidly adding sentiment analysis to their dashboards. The idea sounds great. Understand if AI talks positively or negatively about your brand. And on the surface, that feels useful. Because if AI is shaping perception, you'd want to know if anything negative shows up. But here's the problem. AI does not have feelings. It doesn't like a brand. It doesn't dislike a brand. It doesn't hold opinions. It simply predicts text based on patterns in data. So when a tool claims to measure sentiment, it's not measuring an emotion inside the model. It's measuring something else entirely. Let's rewind. Traditional sentiment analysis was simple. If a sentence had words like great, that means positive. If it had terrible, that equates to negative. Crude? Yes, but at least it was based on actual text. Now with LLMs, it works differently. You prompt the model to act like it has an opinion. For example, what are the good and bad things about brand X? The model will always give you both. Even if the brand is obscure, there's no real data, or the negatives are completely made up. Why? Because the prompt forces polarity. The model just fills in the gaps. So the sentiment isn't discovered, it's generated. It's a performance, not a measurement. Here's where it gets dangerous. LLMs don't track reality, don't know what happened today, don't distinguish fact from pattern. So when they generate a negative point, it could be a hallucination, a generic criticism, or something that just sounds plausible. And yet, sentiment analysis sells really well. Because it looks measurable, it creates nice dashboards, it gives you a clean KPI. But in reality, it tells you nothing about real user perception, actual brand reputation, or how AI truly represents you. It's a comfort metric, not a truth metric. If you really want to understand your AI visibility, ask better questions. Is the information factual? Is it consistent across prompts? Is it grounded in real sources? Does it hallucinate? Does it omit key details? How does it compare to competitors? These are real signals. These are measurable. Sentiment is not. Take Wiki for example. Instead of measuring sentiment, it focuses on facts. It extracts what AI models actually say about your brand and turns those into clear, simple statements. Then you can review them, validate them, mark them as correct or incorrect. If something is wrong, you don't fix sentiment. You investigate. Where did this come from? Why is the model saying this? What signal is missing or unclear? And often the answer is simple. The brand hasn't structured its information clearly enough. So here's the reality. AI doesn't love you. AI doesn't hate you. It predicts the next word. And sentiment analysis? It takes that prediction, turns it into a feeling, and sells it back to you as insight. Don't fall for it. Focus on truth. Thanks for watching.